Hello and welcome to Hemmings Garage Overtime. My name's Junior Nevis and today we're going to work on our 87 IROC. We're going to tackle the creature comforts, or lack thereof. Right now we just can't adjust the seat. It's all the way back no matter what, and it kind of gives you the wicked slope back going on, and that's fine for around town, but any long drives it's really uncomfortable. So I'm just going to pull the whole seat right out. So we've got a couple little plastic covers here front. Go over the seat bolts, take those off. Feeling that one's going to be fun to get back on. And unplug the power seats. All right, take this over to the bench. T-top certainly made that easy. Hey, look, 26 cents. Excellent. All right, so pull off all our plastic pieces here and see what's going on. Hopefully it's just a simple fix, but I know better. Both those bolts are the same length. Go. Try a bunch of lube because this doesn't appear to want to function either. Because this looks like it's supposed to travel that whole slot, which it is not doing. Because I would have thought that would allow it to recline. Oh, I am so going to break this. Hold you in there. Looks like you, which doesn't want to come out. There. There. All right, so the plot thickens a little bit with these seat hinges. We went to lunch and did a little research online. Third Gen Org, great site for these cars. Actually come to find out, this is an inertia seat lock. These are designed to just fold forward. That's it. That being said, we broke out the manual and looked, and there is actually a test procedure where you set your seat up at a certain degree and it will work and lock. These were designed to lock in the case of an accident, but for everyday use, somebody in the back, you don't need to trip the release, you just push the seat forward and get out. So thankfully, did not take this apart because this is non-serviceable and it is functioning just the way it's supposed to. Who knew? It's not a bug, it's a feature. Good thing is I did manage to get the recline mechanism working now, which it was not before, and I'll still be able to fix the headrest so the seat belt retainer bracket thing will go in there. So I'm going to put the seat back together and put it back in the car. Okay, learned a lot here. Number one, first thing I've learned, and I've always said this, and I forgot it myself. If you're going to own a car for a long time, buy the manual. The manual is absolutely the best thing you can have. It's going to give you all the answers you want. I did not. Went to lunch, had to think about it, got on the internet, thirdgen.org, started reading there. Clued me into this. So this is for inertia. There's actually a test procedure in the manual to make sure this works. Here I've got it set up. You see it no longer flops forward. The release here on the back is strictly in case of emergency or if you park on a steep hill. So without it being tilted or inertia, it's supposed to flop like this. It is a feature, not a bug. So got that figured out. I still got to do a couple things in the interior, clean it up, etc. Take care of that later. For now, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. As always, thank you for watching.